Mega Man has a really cool buster, and most prop makers out there have recreated it to a really high degree of finish. But they're missing the core feature of what a buster actually does: the ability to fire. Through my own experience playing the games, the buster shots actually look very similar to orange ping pong balls. So we're going to be using that for our project. That said, how do we actually make ping pong balls fly out of our buster? I came up with this design. Behind the yellow display, there's a ping pong ball loading area. Once you load the ping pong balls in, they get stopped by an electromagnetic stopper. You can disengage the stopper electronically at any time, which allows the ball to further roll into the two spinners. Much like a baseball launcher, the spinners grab the ball and launch it. This whole system seems rather straightforward, but getting everything to perfection wasn't as easy as it looked. Just look at all the prototyping I had to do. However, once it was all glued together, the system was pretty robust. That means it just needed some sanding and a coat of paint. And it's now ready to fire.
We went to Umicon very recently, and they had this weird ping pong game machine. This was a perfect opportunity to take out the buster. Unfortunately, it didn't really work too well. I really needed something to scoop him directly into the buster. Reloading took half the time. In short, the buster really didn't help that much, but it was fun. Let's see what else we can shoot at. And, as always, I've been your captain, and I hope you enjoyed your journey.